Welcome back, guys. It is Monday. The market is actually going crazy. Now, take a look at my screen. We're looking at Tilray. Now, in my last video with Tesla earlier this morning, I let you guys know that Tilray would make a run for it. The stock was trading in the 695. Now, in the pre-market, I saw it actually rise up at 728 before it pulls back. So guys, I'm happy to say right now Tilray is up at 17% for the day. This is a great move, and this all due to the earnings report that came out that showed that they're up 20% in revenue. So the cannabis space for Tilray is always been a strong position. Now, keep in mind, guys, if history teaches anything, is that January and February of every single year, the cannabis stocks always go on a huge run. Now, if you take nothing from this video, guys, I've been running these stocks for a very long time. And if you go back to 2016 or 2017 or 2018 or 2019, any of those years when cannabis was at its all-time high, we could see that January and February is the months that really takes off. So if you guys are watching the market right now, pay close attention the Canopy Growth and to Aurora Cannabis and to Tilray. And of course, there is Kronos and there is so many other companies such as Green Thumb. There's so many companies that you can take a look at. But Tilray, Aurora Cannabis, and Canopy Growth. I haven't made a video for Canopy Growth recently. I'm well overdue to create a video for those guys, but make sure you take a close look at Tilray because Tilray is a monster. Once Tilray starts to run, it always pull the market with it. Now, as you can see, it's up right now at 17%. It actually opens up at 17.16. It shoots up to 17, I believe around 17.35. Let's just take a look here for the day. So when it opens up in the morning, we can see it opens up in the morning and it shuts over 735, and then we saw it drops below 695 per share. And then obviously it moved from 695 per share. Then we see here it touches over 755 and going. So this is a great sign for Tilray. But as I said, guys, listen, be mindful of Tilray. If you haven't get any shares, try to see if it could pull back in the below $7. I doubt it will do it anytime soon today, but it is possible. But right now, this stock is bound to take off. It has been running flat for the week, right? So that was a given for the week. We can see it was up at 724, but then it went to like 620, right below 625 at one point. If we look here, we can see when it dips below 629, right? So it was a great price point on Friday, but as you can see, it's skyrocketing today because of the earnings report, which is explaining the movement in the stock. But right now, again, it's still sitting at 17%. I wouldn't want you to go in at the top. You have to make sure you wait until it breaks a little bit. But this is a great company. Over the years, I've told you guys that Tilray, Canopy Growth, and Aurora Cannabis, and Apria at the time was the monsters to be very very cautious of. But now, as you know, that Tilray and Apria is um, is is merged together, obviously, so it's the same company now. But make sure that you guys, if you're not yet have any shares in Tilray, you may want to pay a close attention because in January and February, as I said, is the months that we normally see huge movement from the cannabis space. So again, guys, if you like the content as usual, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think if you're holding shares or if you're buying or selling. But most importantly, protect your capital. And until next time, peace out.